Everyone wants to be rich, but only a few truly achieve it. What sets successful people apart from the rest? Is it luck, hard work, or a secret formula that most people don't know about? In this video, we're going to reveal proven strategies used by millionaires and billionaires to build their wealth. From mindset shifts and income strategies to smart investing, we'll break down the essential steps you need to take to achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So, get ready, pay close attention, and most importantly, take action. Because becoming wealthy is not just a dream, it's a choice. Everyone dreams of becoming rich, but only a few truly achieve it. What separates the wealthy from the rest? Is it luck, hard work, or a secret formula? Today, we'll reveal proven strategies to build wealth and secure financial freedom. 1. Develop a wealth mindset. Wealth starts in the mind. Rich people think differently. They see opportunities, not obstacles. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," they ask, "How can I afford it?" Train your mind to think big, set clear financial goals, and believe that you deserve success. 2. Invest in yourself. The best investment is you. The richest people in the world are lifelong learners. Read books, attend seminars, develop new skills, and always improve. The more you learn, the more you earn. 3. Master the art of making money. Relying on just one income stream, that's risky. Wealthy people have multiple sources of income: businesses, investments, and passive income. Start a side hustle, invest in stocks, real estate, or build an online business. The more money you make, the faster you grow rich. 4. Spend smart, not just save. Saving money is important, but the secret to wealth is how you use it. Instead of just saving, learn to invest. Make your money work for you through assets that generate more income, not liabilities that drain your bank account. 5. Surround yourself with success. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Want to be rich? Surround yourself with successful, ambitious people. Learn from them, build connections, and grow together. 6. Be patient and stay consistent. Wealth doesn't come overnight. It takes time, discipline, and consistency. Stay committed, keep learning, and never give up. The journey to financial freedom is long, but the rewards are worth it. Final message. If you follow these steps and take action, wealth will no longer be a dream that will be a reality. So, which tip are you going to apply first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more success tips.